Hello everyone, we're here at the Sonesta Suites in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And this is going to be a hotel room tour of room 1224, a 2-bedroom unit. Let's go in. You can see here's the door. They have like a little door knocker here. There's the door, and sometimes we've been having issues with our key card, so walking in, you have immediately to your right, you have a large couch, a seating area, a television, a little table there, and another seat. And as you close the door, the light switch is on the right, and that controls the light over here above the kitchen table area. And the only other light here is the floor lamp over there. Then over here on the left, right behind the door, is a little closet here. And this one has some extra bed sheets, I guess, ironing board, and a small closet section. And there's a little information about the room. It doesn't have an evacuation map, but they give you one when you check in. There's a layout of the property, 1224, last unit, bottom left. And then over here we have the table. They give you some stuff like popcorn and coffee, tea. And then we have 2 seats here. You can move about. Also get a recycle bin, trash, rubbish bin. Here's a closer look at that seating area over here. We have an L-shaped sofa. The edges, though, they're kind of falling apart. They're not very sturdy, the armrests on the sofa. And then we have a fireplace. It's actually open. As you can see, no glass. Although I'm not too sure if it's functional or not. Then we have the television here, standard LG TV. You don't get the original remote here, but in one of the bedrooms you do. It has a digital HD cable service. Moving our way over here, we have the kitchen area. And we have the refrigerator and freezer. But right here is a utility closet, so you get a full, well, not full-size water heater, but a small water heater. And then you also get Train HVAC unit. So they have central heating and air. And then right here we have the freezer. You get an ice cube tray. And you have the refrigerator down here. Then you also get a dishwasher. And then there isn't really a light here. The light's right above us. On a 2-track lights. Here's the sink. A single basin sink with a disposal, garbage disposal. You get a little stopper here. You get a cutting board, and then over in these cabinets we have the glasses and plates, mugs and bowls. And then over here we have some bowls and measuring, some cooking utensils here. Coffee maker, toaster. You get a full-size oven. Full-size oven there, doesn't look too bad. And then over here is the microwave oven. And you'll see right there, there's some weird like spot, I guess something burned or something there. But otherwise it works good. Above here, just some more cabinets. And let's go into the first bedroom. I guess this is the primary bedroom because it has the doors. They don't lock, but they're double doors. And they're double doors, and you can see right here the handles. They don't have anything on the inside, so it's just for show pretty much. Here's a look at the bedroom, the first bedroom here. Bed here, I think it might be a full-sized actually. Nightstand on the left, table on the right, and then we have 2 wall lights by the bed. Then right over here, kind of blocked halfway by the door, we have the LG TV on top of a dresser set. And then here's the original remote. But I'll turn it on really quick and show you there's HD cable service. It always opens up to the weather channel. Yeah, but there's the HD cable, you can see. And then you get a work desk over here. Table lamp here, LED lights again. Rolling chair. I think it is adjustable. And then over here you got power outlet, 2 USB ports, 2 power outlets. And then down there, the jack on the left is a phone jack, and the port on the right is the Ethernet. Then you get a large window here, 2 curtains, sort of blackout. A view out. We're on the corner of Prospect Avenue and Wesley Drive, across from some offices. Here's the other side of the bed, the table. And then get each wall light has a 1 power outlet. And then over here's the nightstand. You get the hotel phone there, clock, 3 drawers. And then coming over here, we have the closet area. And an odd thing, the shelf in the closet last night kind of broke away. You can see in here, sliding mirror wall. But yeah, it just like broke off from right there. Made a loud boom. So yeah, it broke off, so that's kind of odd. And then here's the first bathroom. Pretty small granite sink, mirror there, another mirror right here. And then we have the toilet and the shower and tub. We get some reusable soap dispensers there, provided by Paul Mitchell. And then there's the shower. I'm not going to demonstrate now, but it's adjustable, and you also get a vent up here with the light and fan. And then coming back to the main living area, we have a thermostat right there, train, as I said, the central HVAC unit. Then we have the stairs that kind of abut out into the area, so I have to be careful not to trip on them. But upstairs we have the second bedroom, and right as you walk up you have a full body mirror. Well, it's built into the sliding closet. Here's the sliding closet doors, and there's another closet there. This one did not fall down. Over here you get a television, another LG, looks like 32-inch. And then you get the bed here. This bed is larger. I believe it's a queen-sized bed. And there's a nightstand on the right, 2 lamps, another table, this time on the left. And the alarm clock's on one side and the phone's on the other side. Here's the view up. This, I guess, now is the 3rd story, the 3rd level. And then over here, another full body mirror. Coming over this way, we have the second bathroom. A much larger vanity area. A lot of drawers down there. A very large mirror. Hairdryer on the shelf, just like the other bathroom. Then we have the second bathroom here. It's kind of smaller because it's just the toilet and the shower tub. But yeah, you have the same vent right there on the left from the HVAC unit, and then light and fan combo. So looking down the stairs, there's a view down there, and then I'll show you the view from up here. Here's a look down into the main living area. And with that, that's going to be pretty much it for this hotel room tour at the Sonesta Extended Stay Suites in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel-related videos and also some technology videos coming to the channel soon. Again, thanks for watching, everyone.